a chroeso I fy mhodlediad heno. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my podcast tonight. Diolch am wrando, unwaith eto. Thanks for listening once again. Heddiw yw dydd Sul, y 6 ar 20 o Hydref, 2025. Today is Sunday, the 26th of October, 2025. Cyfres pedwar, a phenod rhif cant ddeg pedwar. Series 4 and episode number 124. Noswaith Dda, Bawb. Good evening, everyone. Yes, Noswaith Dda. Da has become Dda. Soft mutation, D to a double D. When we use an adjective after a singular feminine noun, it soft mutates. In this case, D to double D, Da to Dda. Bawb has become Bawb, because we're using a noun plural, or a pronoun, etc. as a vocative, when we're using it to address people, so it's called a vocative, and it causes there to be a soft mutation. So in this case, it's P to a B, soft mutation, treiglad meddwl, Bawb to Bawb, used as a vocative. A chroeso. Chroeso's become chroeso. C to a CH, aspirate mutation after the conjunction word, which means and that's the word a in Welsh, causes 3 letters to mutate. Aspirate mutation, P, T and C, the ones that make up the phrases. Pat the cat, park the car, pop the cork, post the card, pull the curtains. Even mhodlediad. Podlediad, podcast, has become mhodlediad. P to an MH. Nasal mutation this time. Treiglad trwnol. And that has happened after the word the, which means my. FY, first person, singular, possessive pronoun, causes nasal mutation, has 6 letters. End up starting with N or an M once they've mutated. In this case, P to MH. Diolch am wrando. Wrando has become rando. The G has dropped. Treiglad meddwl. Soft mutation. And that's happened. The G has dropped or disappeared. Diflannu, disappear. And it's done that after the key preposition am, which means for or about, but can also mean what in what. Am lanast, what a mess. Them kind of phrases. Okay, and it's happened, this soft mutation, after the key preposition am. Yes, and there's 15 of them that I know of that cause submutation. So we have, so far, am arat dan drostrwy, tan trostrwy, gan heb hyd, I o wrth. Okay, and then we've got ar hugain. Hugain has become hugain. H put on the front of it after the word ar. Happens in time and dates. Dwy fil. Meal has become veal. That happens after the word number 2, whether it's masculine or feminine. In this case, it's feminine. Dwy fil. Meal has become veal. Soft mutation. Ddeg pimp. Deg has become ddeg. Soft mutation. D to a double D. Cyfres pedwar, a phenod. Aspirate mutation again. Treiglad llais. After the conjunction word a, which means and. We said before, 3 letters change. Pat the cat, etc. And this one's P. Pennod to phenod. Episode. Aspirate mutation. And then we've got ddeg pedwar at the end of this. Rhif cant ddeg pedwar. Number 124. So ddeg has become ddeg. D to a double D. Noswaith Dda in the title. Noswaith Dda, Bawb. And we've got 2 there. We've got a D to double D soft mutation because adjective after a singular feminine noun. And we have Bawb again. To Bawb, vocative. That's what this episode's about. So today's episode is about using phrases and have vocatives in there. And what that means is using a noun plural or pronoun, etc., to address people. So in this episode, that's what we're doing. So some phrases. Hello, Bawb. Hello, everyone. It's not hello, Bawb. It's hello, Bawb. Soft mutation. And we've got a roof circumflex over the over the O of hello. Hello, Bawb. Then we can take that marking away and just have hello, Bawb, because we're just being lazy and we haven't put the accent on there. So I've written that as a phrase as well. Hello, everyone. Then we've got hello, Bobble, with the tobach. Hello, people. Hello, Bobble, without the tobach. Smy Bawb. That's SMA. Different spellings. Smy Bobble. Hello, people. Smy Bawb. Hello, everyone. Smy Bobble. Hello, people. Smy Bawb. Hello, everyone. Smy Bobble. Hello. Different spellings. You'll see them on the web lesson. Hello, people. Smy Bawb. Hello, everyone. Smy Bobble. Hello, people. Shmai Bawb. Hello, everyone. Shmai Bobble. Hello, people. Look, a few different spellings there then. Noswaith Dda, Bawb. Good evening, everyone. Okay, so you're seeing these soft mutations, pobble to bobble and Bawb to Bawb. After all these hellos and Shmai spellings. And Noswaith Dda, Bawb. Noswaith Dda, Bobble. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, people. Noswaith Dda Wrando. You see why I've been drumming some of these in at the introduction. I wanted for you to get used to that when you address people, there's a mutation. And I also wanted you to get used to Noswaith Dda. It happens to be the evening when I record these, but it also helps because it shows you that it's different to Borada, which is another common phrase. And it shows you what's happening with feminine nouns. And also helps with the mutations because tells you that D goes to double D. So that's why I've been drumming them in. Noswaith Dda Wrando. Good evening, listeners. Grandawyr, listeners, has become Randawyr, being used to address people. All of these. Borada Bawb. Good morning, everyone. This is different now. Noswaith Dda Bawb. Borada Bawb. Dda or Da, depending on if it's masculine or feminine. Borada Bawb, good evening everyone. Borada Bobble, good morning. Good morning people. Good morning everyone. Borada Gymru, good morning Wales. Prynhawn Da Plant. I should be Prynhawn Da Blant, sorry. I don't know how that slipped in. Prynhawn Da Blant.
Prynhawn Da Plant.
I made a mistake there. Good Prynhawn Da Blant. Good afternoon, children. I have to change that before it goes out. And then Voneddigion a Boneddigisau. I can't say it, can I? Voneddigion a Boneddigisau. Ladies and gentlemen, although they are other way round, but in English you put ladies first, influenced by the French, I think, and in the Welsh you don't. But when you translate it, they're the other way around again. So that's what this episode's been about. Right, listening exercise. We have Gwasanaeth Prynhawn oedd hi heddiw gyda ffrigethwr gwahanol. It was an afternoon service today with a different preacher. Gobeithio bydde un chwarae gemau ar-lein heno yn y Gymraeg. Hopefully I'll be playing online games tonight in Welsh. Mae'n ymddangos stormish iawn y tu allan heddiw. It seems very stormy outside today. Rwy'n edrych ymlaen at y grŵp darllen Cymraeg, yfory, a llyfr newydd. I am looking forward to the Welsh reading group tomorrow and a new book. Yes, so trying to do lots of different activities in Welsh. Okay, time's up. Ta-ra.